Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question of algebra with us. Let's see how to solve this. So we are given certain equations like this: xy is equals to 3, xz is equals to 4, and yz equals to 6. And we need to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. See, I am sharing my way. You can share your method in the comments box. And I think our methods will be same. Let's see what is my method. My method is I will be multiplying these three equations. This is first equation, this is second equation, and this is third equation. I will be multiplying these three equations. Now, if we multiply these three equations, what we will get? Xy times xz times yz. This will give us 3 times 4 times 6, correct? Now, if we solve this further, what we will get? We will get x square, y square, and z square. This is equals to 3 times 4, 12, 12 times 6 is 72. Correct? That means x, y, z is equals to under root 72. Correct? Or we can write it as 6 root 2. Under root 72 is nothing but 6 root 2. So please keep this value in mind. This will be useful. X, Y, Z is 6 root 2. Okay. Now what we can do after this? Let's see. So we have x, y, z is equals to 6 root 2. Now we will be using this with all these three equations one by one. So from equation 1, okay. Now from equation 1, we know that the value of xy is 3. So we can substitute the value of xy here as 3. Okay, we can substitute the value of xy as 3. 3z is equals to 6 root 2. Correct? Now if 3z is equals to 6 root 2, what will be the value of z? The value of z will be 2 root 2. Correct? Like this, we can find the value of other variables. Let's see how. Let me erase this. Now we will use equation 2 from 2. Now from 2, we have value of xz. The value of xz is 4. So we can substitute xz as 4. Xz is 4. So we are left with 4y is equals to 6 root 2. Correct? From this, we will get y is equals to 1.5 root 2. Okay. Now, similarly, we will be going for third equation. From third equation, let me erase this again. From third equation, we have the value of yz. See, the value of yz is 6. So I can substitute yz as 6. We will get 6x is equals to 6 root 2. That means x will turn out to be root 2. Correct? So we have this x as root 2. We have x as root 2, y as 1.5 root 2, and z as 2 root 2. Now we are almost reaching the conclusion. We need the value of x square plus y square plus z square. This is quite easy now, yes? So let's see how we can solve this. So x square will be root 2 square, which will give us 2, correct? Similarly, we can find y square. Y square will be 1.5 root 2 whole square. This will give us 2.25 times 2, which will give us 4.5. Similarly, we can find z square. Z square will be 2 root 2 whole square, which will be 8. Correct? Now, the final answer, that is x square plus y square plus z square. This is 2 plus 4.5 plus 8, which will give us the final answer as 14.5. This will be our final answer, 14.5. The sum of x square plus y square plus z square is 14.5. I hope you have understood the solution well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.